age-long battle between faux fur and real fur, faux reigns supreme. If you are on the fence, no worries. We will show you all there is to know so you can make an informed decision between real and faux fur. Stay tuned to find out what could make a real fur coat go rancid. New around here? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe for more videos like this. Now on to 10 reasons why you should only wear faux fur. Money. Let's face it, we are not all made of money. So when it comes to making fashion statements, we tend to try to do it on the cheaper side of things. When looking at whether to wear faux fur or the real deal, the price tag should be enough to make your decision for you. You can find faux fur at most of your favorite stores for as little as under $100. There are, of course, more expensive fur coats as well, but nowhere near the thousands of dollars that a real fur coat will cost you. Trust us, go with faux fur and your pockets will thank you. No harm done. One of the main reasons that people choose to wear faux over real fur is their love for animals. All it takes is one look at PETA's website to see how inhumanely some animals are treated during the skinning process. Just go home and look at your pet in the eyes. Would you ever consider wearing their fur on your body? Then why would another animal be different? Just think about how weird it is to walk around in another being's skin. Gross. Don't do it. Not when faux fur is readily available. Save the animals the pain and save yourself the uncomfortable feeling of walking around in someone else's hair. So many options. Wearing real fur is extremely limiting. Why? Because it's real. Real fur doesn't come in exotic colors or funky patterns because not all animals come in exotic colors or funky patterns. If you really want to express yourself, you should go with faux fur. When you are choosing a faux fur item to wear, the sky's the limit. Almost any color or style that you can think of will be available somewhere. You can even have faux fur items custom made if you'd like. With real fur, you are mostly going to be limited to browns, blacks, and whites. If you are lucky, you can find a mixture of the three. But as far as pink or any other fun color, forget about it. Top designs. Designers are really getting on board with this cruelty-free faux fur movement. In the past, that wasn't the case. too. And if you don't want to actually go outside, a quick Google search of where to buy faux fur online will yield hundreds of results. When it comes to buying real fur, you might have to look a little harder. Real fur is usually above a lot of people's price points, so it's not as readily available as its faux cousin. So save yourself the stress and just pick up some faux fur. That's it for 10 reasons why you should only wear faux fur. For more videos like this, check out 10 things fashion realtors don't want you to know.